Simple and best ARV home remedy for cracked heels. Natural home remedy for cracked heels. Cracked heels are a very common problem and sometimes converts into a painful problem due to the lack of attention and care. Cracked heels are one of the worst nightmares, especially for women. It can also cause redness, burning, pain, itching, inflammation and peeling skin. Taking proper care can prevent your cracked heels from getting deeper and causing bleeding and pain. Some of the main causes of cracked heels are dry air, lack of moisture, improper foot care, an unhealthy diet, aging, carpets, dust and wearing the wrong types of shoes. There is a natural home remedy for cracked heels that can help to get rid of cracked heels. Let's start with a remedy, effective home remedy for cracked heels. Ingredients: olive oil, 1/2 cup, petroleum jelly, 1/2 tablespoons, candle, 1/2, alum, 1 teaspoon. Method: take a bowl, add olive oil and a small candle piece in it, heat it in the oven until melt. Let it cool for a few minutes, then add petroleum jelly and alum in it, mix it until getting fully dissolved. You can also use mustard or coconut oil instead of using olive oil, and can also use beeswax instead of a candle. 1. Now, store this oil in a jar or bottle. 2. After 30 minutes you will see this oil change into a creamy consistency. 3. Before applying this cream on your heels, first exfoliate your heels with a scrubber. 4. After applying this cream, wear socks. 5. Do it daily for best results. Benefits: Vaseline has moisturizing properties that can help you to get rid of dry and cracked feet. Wax candle acts as a natural emollient that helps to soften your dry skin, a good ointment for cracked and painful heels. Olive oil is the natural healer that nourishes your skin and make your skin soft and supple. Coconut oil hydrates your skin and moisturizes dry skin and removes dead skin cells. Now that you know how to get rid of cracked heels, so now what are you waiting for? Try out this effective home remedy for cracked heels and get the best result. Share your views and experiences in the comments box below. Also, share it with your family and friend. If you like the video, give it a thumb up and share it with your friends. If you want more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.